Okay.
Oh my.
It's so fluffy. We added shaving foam to this and contact lens solution that my mom bought.
Also some glue.
Yeah, my mom bought. We had 3 bottles of Elmer's glue, 1 thing of contact lens solution, and shaving foam.
Which is weird.
Yeah, it makes it fluffy, which is a weird part.
And we used glitter because we love glitter.
Yeah, it's a little and food coloring. Well, it's a little sticky because we're not finished adding contact lens solution, but
so far it's cool.
yeah, it's like a lot. Jumbo slime.
Jumbo slime.
We also got candy from the store. Sky, get out the camera because I know you don't like the camera. Show them the camera. Show them the candy.
Candy. We barely got anything. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah, we just finished, but my brother ate it. So.
Isn't that nice?
You can wait. I'll record you, and you can poke it. Wait, I'm gonna add more contact lens solution because it's kind of sticky. There. No, like poke it. No, listen to it poke though.
Oh my, this is cool. Whoa. Okay, more contact lens. Now this side. Move your hand.
My pretty painted nails will not move an inch.
Don't do this.
Okay, that's good.